Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This plastic bottle is leaked and my cousin was throwing it away, but I told him a genius idea to repair bottle and free of cost. As you can see, this bottle is not suitable for use, but in this video I will show you how to repair plastic at home in just a minute. Oh, the damage is big, but I will solve this problem. Just wait for it. Please like the video at the end and must share comment. I will read all your comments and thanks for your appreciations and suggestions. Let me show you the other uses of soldering iron. You will be amazed to see how it works like a magic. I am removing the needle-shaped tip. Now I will use the flat tip in this soldering iron. Let's start our repairing projects. This broken cap will be like new after a minute. You must save money and must learn how to repair items at home. Gently press the tip of soldering iron on the broken part. It will start melting the plastic, and in this way it is very easy to join the broken part. Here you can see clearly with this method the bottle will be fixed like a new. I am using sandpaper for smooth finishing of the bottle. But gently over the cap and remove all extra plastics. Now just clean the cap with water. Fill the bottle with water. Now the bottle is like a new again and ready to use for school, camping or cycling. With zero expenses, we can easily repair broken items at home. For more interesting and useful videos like this, and subscribe the channel. Here you can see it's not leaked. Now ready to use. Thanks for watching.